Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the emotion based music recommendation system using machine learning. So in the left hand section it will detect the emotion of person like happy, sad, neutral, fearful, stressed, like that, and it will recommend the song according to the user emotions. So in the song recommendation part it will give the name of song, album and the artist name. It will continuously change according to the user emotions. Like if the person is sad, then it will show the sad song with the sad album and artist, and if the person is happy, then it will recommend the song according to the user emotions. This is the complete project. This project developed using Python programming language, and Django web framework is used for the developing the graphical user interface. This is the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.